Namaste students, myself JV and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class, AMED, third semester. We will discuss the topic taxonomy of education objectives. What is taxonomy of educational objectives? It is the classification of the different objectives and skills that educator set for their students. It's known as educational objectives. To motivate the educators to create a more holistic form of education. Three dimensions of learning: cognitive learning, affective learning, and psychomotor learning. Cognitive domain, Benjamin Bloom's. According to Benjamin Bloom's, cognitive domain assembling of following components: firstly, knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. I describe one by one. Knowledge: recognize or recall data or informations. Keywords: to define, to distinguish, to acquire, to identify, to recall, to recognize, and to identify. Okay. Next, comprehensions: understanding of facts and ideas. Keywords of comprehensions: translation, to translate, to transform, to give in on words, to illustrate, to prepare, to read, to represent, to change, to refer, to restate. Next, interpretations: to interpret, to reorders, to rearrange, to redifferentiate, to distinguish, to make, to grow, to explain, and to demonstrate. And extrapolations: to estimate, to infer, to conclude, to predict, and to interpolate. Next points: application, using of new knowledge. Keywords: to apply, to generalize, to relate, to choose, to develop, to organize, to use, to employ, to transfer, and to classify, etc. Next, analysis: separation of complex idea into constitute parts. Keywords of analysis: analysis of elements, to distinguish, to detect, to identify, to clarify, to discriminate, to recognize, and to categorize. Analysis of the relationships: to analyze, to contrast, to compare, and to deduce. Analysis of organization principles: to analyze, to distinguish, to detect, and to deduce. Next points: synthesis: to generalize different idea, to create a new meaning. Keywords of synthesis: production of unique communications, to write, to tell, to relate, to produce, to constitute, to transmit, to originate, and to modify, and last one, to document. Production of a plan or proposed set of operations to propose, to plan, to design, to modify, and to specify. Derivation sets of abstract relation to produce, to, to drive, to develop, to combine, to organize, to synthesize, to classify, and to deduce, to develop, and to formulate. Next point, evaluation, making judgments about the value of idea or information. Keywords of evaluation: judgment in terms of internal evidence, to judge, to argue, to validate, to assess, and to decide. Judgment in terms of external criteria: to judge, to argue, to consider, to compare, to construct, to standardize, and to appraise. Affective domain: David Crethwell. Affective domain combined with some components: receiving, responding, valuing, organizing, and characterizations. Firstly, receiving demonstrates a willingness to participate in the activity. Second one, responding, so interest in the object, phenomena, or activity by seeking it out or pursuing for its pleasure. Valuing range from simple acceptance to the more complex state of commitment. And organization begins to compare different values and resolve conflict between them to form a system of values. Characterization is adopt a long-term value system that is pervasive, consistent, and predictable. Psychomotor domains, Anita Harrow. Psychomotor domains are composed of following components: reflex movements, perceptual abilities, physical abilities, skilled movements, and non-discursive communications. Reflex movements: reflex keywords: to flex, to stretch, to extend, to inhibit, etc. Perceptual abilities: using of sense keywords: to catch, to bounce, to eat, to write, to balance, to bend, and etc. Physical abilities: stamina, flexibility, strength, power, and endurance. Keywords of physical abilities: to endure, to improve, to increase, to stop, to start, to move precisely, to touch, and to bend. Skilled movements: adaptive skilled keywords: to type, to play the piano, to plane, etc. Non-discursive communication: expression of feeling through gestures, postures, and facial expressions. Keywords of non-discursive communications: to gesture, to stand, to sit, to express facially, to dance skillfully, to perform skillfully, to paint skillfully, and to play skillfully. Psychomotor domains, R.S. Dave. Psychomotor domains are composed of following components: imitations, manipulations, perceptions, articulations, and naturalizations. Okay, thank you.